It is almost my favorite time of year. And what do I mean by that? Because yes, fall is beautiful here and so is winter, but it is incentive season. This is the best time of year to buy new construction. I'll even ask my builders, come on. First up, it's going to be Cindy with Riverside Homes here in Nocatee. Now, my question is, when is the best time to buy new construction?
End of the month and end of the year.
You heard it from her, not me. Let's go see more. You guys got some specialty right there, because I remember it being the end of the month, but like when a builder tells you when incentives are happening and when it's the best time, it's crazy. And I will let you know, there's more builders out here who are doing this. Today, we're just going to focus on the Nocatee ones because they're in their last phase as well in building, not only towards the end of the year, but let's go ask Toll Brothers. Now I'm at Toll Brothers. So my question is, when is the best time to buy new construction?
Well, good morning, Demi. So the best time to buy construction is usually with quick move-in houses because we are willing to negotiate price with those. And they tend to be more than what you're just going to get off the incentive on a build-to-order home. And usually by the end of the year, our fiscal year happens to be October 31st. So it's a great time to buy right now. And sometimes quarter end, but most important time is going to be right now. So come in and see us by October 31st.
There we go. Also, while I'm going to all this new construction, I'm literally saving their ready now homes. So then you could see where the most incentives are. And we're going to talk about that at the end of the video because I want you guys to hear from everyone else that I'm not crazy, that the end of the year is the best time to buy new construction and it's incentive season. So let's ask David Weekly. Danielle, you're here. Now we're at David Weekly with Danielle. Okay, so when is the best time to buy new construction?
That is a fabulous question, and that would be now. We are approaching the end of the year, which means we're going to be offering the best incentives to get you in by the end of the year and Christmas.
See, everyone's saying it. Okay, again, because I don't want you to just hear from me, but we're at Providence Homes. When is the best time of year to purchase new construction?
Right now is the best time to purchase. We are offering so many incentives on our quick move-in homes and homes out to around December, January of 2026.
Perfect. Now, Providence is one of those builders that I definitely see, making sure my mic's on, that I definitely see a lot of incentives happening with, and they're willing to negotiate a little bit more than some of the other builders that are around. Also, side note, in regards to like inventory and everything, I do see Providence having a lot more inventory right now, especially for ready now. So if you're looking to buy before the end of the year, you may have more options with Providence than other builders that are around. But let's go into ICI. We'll go back to ICI because they're not there right now. We'll go to Dosty. Just kidding. Dosty's not here either, but I'll ask, hey, Dosty, when is the best time of year to buy a home? End of year. Exactly. End of year. End of year. I will say Dosty isn't as flexible when it comes to everything. They're a local builder, but in regards to incentives and flexibility with pricing and everything, it isn't going to be the builder for that. But they have amazing floor plans and their quality is pristine and their price reflects that. Now, as we're talking about all these incentives that happen towards the end of the year, one important thing to know is that these are just the ones that the builders are telling you. There are more incentives that can be negotiated that they're not going to, show all their cards, but I'm more than happy to display the cards for you and have them lay them out and be your dealer for it and make it happen and make a better deal than they're actually offering you right now. First, let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're going to talk about Riverside Homes and some of the incentives they have going on right now. They do have quite a few ready now homes and at really great prices. And I know for sure I can negotiate these down. I already warned Cindy as we made this video. But right now it's looking like everything except one other one, the Sawyer and the Reflections area, is under $700,000, which is absolutely amazing. We have 3 in Seabrook Village available and 2 in Reflections. And I don't know if you know the difference about Seabrook Village and Reflections. Reflections is going to be closer to that exit area. There's an extra area where you can get to the amenities faster, while Seabrook Village is a little bit further away, but honestly, it's literally a little bit further away. And while we're staying in order, let's just jump into Toll Brothers. Now, Toll Brothers, they have 3 opportunities in Seabrook, one of them being the Caspian. I don't know if you guys have seen the Caspian before. If you haven't, I actually have one on my channel where you guys can see a walkthrough of it. It's a beautiful floor plan, 2-story. The primary is upstairs. I have never seen a Caspian going for this price, and there is a little bit of negotiation room I found out as well. And then if we go ahead into the next page of what they have offering. Now I will tell you, unfortunately, the Petunia just went under contract. So hopefully you don't fall in love with that and that price, but there are still 2 more options and reflections that are available with Toll Brothers. Now, I know I said that Providence has things and opportunities that are endless, but I will tell you David Weekley has a lot as well with opportunities both in Reflections and Seabrook Village. They have both front entry and rear entry, which is that back alleyway, if you guys aren't aware of that and what goes on there. But there is crazy incentives they have, including closing cost incentives. They have rate buy down incentives, which rates are actually looking pretty good. I don't know if you guys have checked lately, but we can always negotiate prices off of these, but the opportunities are endless. So I'm sure if you're looking, most likely your home is on this list. And just like I promised, Providence Home is coming in hot with the incentives with interest rate buy downs, closing cost incentives, and both Crosswinds, Seabrook Village Phase 1 and 2, and Reflections. So you have 3 different options for the neighborhoods depending on what side of Nocatee you want to be on. And this can range from 3-bedroom all the way up to 5-bedroom with as low as $30,000 of incentives up to $50,000 of incentives, not including what we're going to negotiate as well. It's mind blowing, you guys. We can get a killer deal right now in Nocatee that's realistic.